Thank you for joining us for the quick tour of the LR5200IR and the LR4200IR iDSP receivers from Listen Technologies. iDSP IR receiver cases are made from low-loss, impact-resistant IR transparent material. This material allows the receiver to pick up IR light from all directions. There are two wide-angle IR receivers underneath the case that pick up the IR signal. A high-resolution OLED display is located on the front of both the LR4200IR and LR5200IR iDSP receivers. This displays the unit ID, battery status, active channel, and volume level. The volume up and down buttons are located above and below the OLED display on both receivers. On the left, below the OLED display, is an ambient light sensor that works to dim the receivers automatically based upon lighting in the surrounding environment. On the right, below the OLED display, is the Listen Multifunction button. This button allows an LR5200IR receiver to be pre-programmed to a list of active channels for multi-channel listening. The LR4200IR is best used for single-channel listening. It can be pre-programmed and locked on one channel using the iDSP software suite. The power button is on top of a receiver. The receiver will turn on after holding the power button for 1 second. It will turn off after holding the power button for 3 seconds. When a receiver is on, momentarily pressing the button highlights information about the receiver on the OLED display. There is an LED next to the power button that shows charging status and flashes when the battery is low. There are dual headphone jacks located on top of the receivers, which work with any standard ear speaker, headphones, or the integrated neck loop lanyard, which works with an ear speaker or hearing aid with a T-coil. The back of the receivers feature a belt clip, which clips to the outside of a shirt pocket, pants pocket, or belt. The belt clip can be easily removed to access the battery. Below the removable belt clip are two charging contacts. iDSP IR receivers can be charged in multiple ways, like a charging tray or charging case. There is a micro USB input on the side of the receiver, which can be used to charge a receiver via a standard USB port or configure it with the iDSP software suite. Thank you for watching the quick tour of iDSP IR receivers. Remember that Listen Technologies is the only comprehensive provider of all assistive listening solutions that meet mandatory legislative compliance requirements, including RF, IR, and hearing loop.